are going to Milford Sound and we're going to do a cruise. Weather forecast is not so good. It says that it's gonna rain, but they say that it's good when it's raining in Milford Sound because that's where the beauty really comes in. Just made a stopover and I think we're only 30 minutes or 23 kilometers away to Milford Sound Terminal. Stop over here on the start of the route burn track. So this is one of the things that you can do as well when you're around this area in Fiordland National Park, is you can also do the route burn track, but we're not gonna do that because we don't have time and we really don't want to climb anymore because our body still aches from our Roy's Peak climb. I've also made a video on the Roy's Peak, so if you want to check that out, I'll put a link down below or over here as well, and you can check out our video on climbing Roy's Peak. And off we go again. See you later. Arrived here in Milford Sound already, and we just parked over the parking area, and we need to walk at least 10 minutes going to the terminal. And so the parking area is quite far, so I don't think there's a parking area in the terminal itself, so you need to park like 300 meters away from the terminal. So we're just walking towards there. Now we are going with My Trip Peak Cruises for our Milford Sound cruise. View so far is very beautiful, as you can see from the video. It's just really magical. It's like I'm being transported into a different place, different planet all by itself. It's just really magical. So I would really, suggest book your ticket, plan your leave, and come and visit Milford Sound, because the photos and the videos cannot justify how majestic this place really is. You have to see it by your own eyes, and this is really a must do when you visit New Zealand. And I've got some tips for you. Tip number one, bring your food because there's no food here in the terminal and food are not being served in the cruises as well. So definitely bring any packed lunch, any packed waters, lunch, food or whatever it is that you want to bring. Bring that. So that's my tip for you. Second tip, wear anything that is waterproof, shoes or whatever, you know, because definitely you will get wet. For me, I'm just wearing my Crocs. Yeah, because I really don't want to bring home a wet and heavy shoes